As a content creator, you need some things that will help to hook your viewers to keep on watching your videos when they come to your channel. And one of these hook is your cast. Cast plays an important role in your videos. When people watch your videos, those things that normally pop up as people are watching your video, they are called cast. And when people go to your description, they will see this cast. It will line up. You can add up to 5 casts in your description. And after watching your video, people that went to your description to know what you write, when they see a topic that they like, they can easily tap the video and watch it. Thereby, you are increasing your watch hour, your watch minute, your visibility, your engagement. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time I've come across my video, please do what to hit the subscription button, share my videos, and turn on the notification for more videos. So guys, just on the screen, let me show you how you can add cast on your videos. Alright? So guys, in my last video, I promised that I will show you guys how to add cast to your videos. So come to your YouTube channel, you tap your settings, you tap your data on YouTube, then wait, it's loading. So guys, once it's loaded to this side, you tap the number of your videos, it will take you straight to your YouTube studio. So guys, once you are on your YouTube studio, you tap the video that you want to put cast. Let's assume it's this one. I've tapped it. Then you look at your right hand side. You will see where the right cast. Then you tap it. Once you tap it, you will see cast. Select a type of cast to begin. Is it video? Is it playlist? Is it channel? Is it link? So we are starting with video. You tap video. So tap one of your video that relates to the one you are uploading. Then you can keep it here. Tap card again. It will bring out video. You select another one. Then shift it like this. Tap cards again. If you want to select playlist, you can select. But I'm selecting video again. I tap another video. Then I tap cards again. I tap another video. Then I tap card again. I want to add my playlist now. I tap playlist. So they'll ask me to choose my playlist. So I'm choosing YouTube tips. I'm choosing it. So anywhere you want to keep those things, you keep them. Once you're done, have you seen we have added 5 cards here now? All these things you add here now. Once you go to your post, under your description, you will see all these videos that you added on those particular video now. If you watch my video now, if you watch this video that is here now, you will see all these cards now that I added at my description. So once you have finished adding all those things, you tap save. So it has added to your videos. This is how to add cards to your videos. Very easy and simple. So it's very important that once you're uploading your videos, you add cards so that when someone is reading your description, the person can see a particular topic that he or she buys, then the person can still watch. And as your video is playing, those cards will be displaying while your video is playing. All right, so it will help you to get more watch hour, more views, more engagement on your channel. So if you have not been adding cards to your videos, this is the right time for you to start adding cards to your videos, especially with the small creators. All right guys, that is how to add cards to your videos. If you have watched this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please guys, hit the subscription button, turn on your notifications so that whenever I make any upload, you will be there and more first people that will see my videos. Always remember that. Blessed I can sell them. Love you all. Bye guys. See you all in my next video. You can check out my other videos I made about YouTube tips, Facebook tutorial, or how to make money online. Any one of them you like, you can watch. Alright? Bye guys. See you all in my next one.